Hello guys, welcome to Jamie Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find a maximum and minimum number between two numbers using function. Right here is the basic formatics and syntax of the program would look like this. Right, the first one we have to like this is the libraries, and here the function declaration, and here the man goes here. In main we have variables, input from the user, and here call maximum function, and here another we can do it right. Just call minimum function, right? Okay, and here we are going to print out the result. Hey, you come here. Okay, here and below the main we have to define the function, find maximum between the logic would go here, and here the minimum. Okay, let's go and do not waste time. First we have to define declare two function, maximum, and we can see that it takes two input. Here go, there's a semicolon, right? Don't forget it. And here mini, it also takes two input. Yes, that's done. So easy. And here we have to declare variable in 1 and 2, and here the maximum we have to store maximum. You will come to know why we have just declared this, or we can do it later. Let me do it later. Okay, let's do it later. Okay, first we have declare two variable in 1 and 2, and here I'm going to take input from the user. I'll print a message, enter two numbers. Okay. Yes, if you go to next line you can do that as well. Okay, and here I'm going to say C in greater in 1, in greater and 2. That's 2, and this would be done later, this would be done later. Now we are going to define the function, int. It should be same as above, right? Yeah, max, and here it needs parameter, right? A in 1 I can say num1, and in number 2, right? And it needs no semicolon, right? So go down, the logic would go here. So I'm going to do for a maximum number. I want to find it between two numbers maximum. If I'm going to say that if num1 and num1 is greater than num2, what should you do? Return, give me the num1, right? num1, okay, sorry, num1, right? And we have else function, else do something else as well. If it is not, return num2. So check whether num2 is num1 is greater than num2, then return num1. Okay, give me num1 if it is greater, otherwise num2 would be definitely greater. So this is for maximum function, right? So I'm going to call it here. Before it we are going to declare the maximum integer variable, where I'm going to say that maximum equal to maxi, the function we did. And go back, the max function, and this is the function, right? We did it before, maxi, and I'm going to pass the num1, this numbers num1 and num2. Okay, so done. There's a 10 semicolon. Hey, no, okay. So go ahead, and this is the function call, right? So we did it. Now we are going to print the result. Simply cout less than the maximum number is you can see that less than maximum number. Okay, you did it. Now let's test it out whether it works or not. Where are you? Come up. Okay, it says, hey, yeah, enter two numbers. Look down. I'm going to put 3 and 4. Hey, the maximum number is 4. Yeah, we can see that after this. And line. Okay, did it. Into two numbers, I'm going to put 3 and 4. The maximum number is 4. Dead. Now it's time to practice, and there's a quiz for you. So can you do for the minimum? You know, can you create a function for minimum, and you can you call the minimum function? So stop the video and do the quiz. Okay, I'm going back to do that. Just let me do it for you. Okay, so this is now we have done for maximum. Now let's go down. We have first minimum. Okay, minimum. This is a variable which will hold integer values between 1 and 2. And here call the minimum function. I'm going to assign, you know, the minimum function, and I'm passing the in 1 and 2 variable, right? And here we did it, and now I want to print out the result as well. Cout less than here the minimum number is less than the minimum but we haven't did it. Sorry, before this you should end line and down. Okay, we should do this step later, but you know, first you should define the function, right? Minimum, and here we're going to have num1 and num1 and num2 go so here I'm going to say if we have num1 is less than num2, what should you do? Return what? Return num1. Exactly. Else what should you do? Return num2. Simple. So did it. Let's see. Okay, this is what int min. This is the same function as we declare about min. Okay, and here we are calling here, and so let's check it out as well. So let's run the program. We didn't put into two numbers. Okay, and here I'm going to say the first 3 and 4. The maximum number is 4, the minimum is 3. Now let's try again one more time. 4 and 3. The maximum number is 4 and the minimum number is 3. So if you want to copy it, take a screenshot for me. Yeah, did it. And this is that you can. Yeah. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and never miss an update from Jamie Tech.